This video will demonstrate how to use the Assignment Tracker tool to plan the time required to complete assignments and to divide your assignments into smaller tasks. First, figure out how long to spend on your assignment by checking the chart in Step 2. Fill in the number of hours you will need to do in the field labeled Hours of Work Required. Finish filling out the beginning of the form. Write the name of the course and the assignment title and value so that you can easily see which assignment you planned out. Then write today's date and the due date. In the Stages column, create a list of all the things you need to do to complete this assignment. This includes tasks like creating an outline, doing research, completing a draft, and completing the final product. Use one line for each stage. Give yourself a completion deadline for each task. Plan to get started on the assignment right away. Spread the deadlines across all of the days that you have available to create a buffer to help absorb unplanned events that drop into your schedule. Check off each task as you finish them. Those check marks are the proof that you are moving towards completing the assignment. Congratulations! You now know how to use the Assignment Tracker. Thanks for watching!